Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, developer options or diagnostics active, and a basic process monitor installed. First, open system settings and go to battery and app permissions to see immediate culprits. Once those panels are open, look for apps with unusually high wake or battery drain. Make sure to record app names and timestamps. That context helps. If nothing obvious appears, proceed to the Task Manager tool you installed. Because deeper probes reveal background services and network activity you can't see. Now dig deeper. Open the process monitor and sort by CPU percent and memory to spot persistent entries. You should inspect each suspect's child services and scheduled jobs. Those often run when the app appears idle. Once done, check network activity per app and look for recurring connections or large transfers. Make sure to cross-check with system logs and recent app updates. Changes there often explain new background behavior. If an app holds wake locks or constant timers, that's the key evidence to take action. Finish by neutralizing the offender. Revoke background privileges, force stop it, or update or uninstall as appropriate. After taking action, reboot the device and immediately rerun your monitor to confirm CPU, wake locks, and network usage drop back to expected levels. If the problem persists, clear the app cache and data or reset its permissions. That often removes corrupted states. One troubleshooting tip: if background activity returns, test in safe mode or with a clean profile to isolate whether another app or system layer is triggering it.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.